Hello guys, I'm Shyanukant and welcome to my channel. So guys, this is a demo of Toolverse, a Django project with the Langchian framework. This is a AI based social content creation tool. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all I have to create a account. I have account but I have admin account. So try free. I'm typing on ocean gmail.com password. You can see your password with the help of show password checkbox. Simple. Show password, hide password. Okay. All right. Invalid password. Okay. Try again. Actually, I have to add password indication like that. One uppercase, lowercase, and special symbol. That's why we get this error or this error. Okay. Now password is good. So now I get this verification and click on to verification link. Copy this link, paste in another tab, and account verification successfully. So guys, I will send this verification link on email. But now I'm testing this. So I am successfully verified. Now we can log in. Person. Okay. Sign in. Okay guys, we logging successfully. Here's our dashboard. Here's the dashboard. User profile, the hour, email ID, account, sign out, and there is also dark mode. This dark mode also available in home page, on home page or landing page. Okay, so dark mode. Here is the three options: setup brand, content, and generate content. So guys, if we want to generate content, so we have to you have to set up brand first. So if I click on generate, redirect me set up brand. If I click on content, then redirect me set up brand. So if I click on content, then again redirect me set up brand. So first of all I have to set up brand. So brand name, and then brand name. Okay. Handle, brand logo, choose a logo, font, brand color, default color is white, add brand. Now so guys, now it's redirect me content page, content creation page here. So type a prompt. So I type a prompt, how to start a SaaS service. Just simple. I choose Insta and Twitter platform, and the disposition is education. Simply create content. Okay, so guys, it successfully generate content for me. Also give me a script. This script is starting a SaaS business. So this is simple script with some point. The point one, understand your market. Point two, choose your platform, and point three, develop a pricing model. And this is our content with hashtag. So my project is working successfully fine, and I'm using Pixel API for generating image with the help of Pillow library. Okay, go to content page. So here our content, view more, we can see that all content here, branding, our brand, we can generate more brand ID here. Set a brand again and activate the brand on clicking the activate button and delete. By click on delete button, edit by clicking on edit button. Okay, I will show you. If I create another brand, Rati @Rati, choose a color, choose a brand logo, a font. Now I have two brand, but there is a problem. I will fix this issue. Activate button. I actually here the Roshan brand is activated. But if I want to activate Rathi, so I have to click on activate button and it's now Rathi brand activated and Roshan is deactivated, but it is still show activated. So I will fix this issue, and by clicking on delete button, click Roshan brand profile delete successfully. Okay, it's working fine. Calendar not available, coming soon. So I will add this post schedule feature for different platform and time with the time and date. So guys, if you want the code of this application, check out description.